Hello, children. Guess who? I am on the side of a road on the river. My two favorite places. Directly across the river from me is my other favorite place, Rabbit Hash. It's all three fun places at once. Now look at this weirdo just sitting on a park bench on the river wearing his motorcycle helmet, talking to himself. What a loony. Well, you know what? Maybe you're the loony. There's a riverboat, so I'm in Rising Sun, Indiana. And across from me is Kentucky. As I just mentioned, there's Rabbit Hash. And that's the casino. There is a ferry down there that I can take if I wanted to go to Rabbit Hash, which I just did here a couple weeks ago. The ferry, it's over there somewhere. Hi, old guy. But today, I'm not going to Rabbit Hash. Today I am continuing on along the river, and I will cross at Markland Dam and then have lunch on the Kentucky side in Warsaw. Again, not Poland, no Nazis. I'm back. But yeah, I'm back, and it has been a crazy month. That's been more than a month. I haven't recorded since Easter Sunday. So y'all know the drill. I know it's been a while, but come on, how can you forget me, Father Bobber, the father? Nobody forgets the father, or have you? You probably have. That's okay. There's a lot of yard sales here today. Rising Sun, Indiana is where I'm at, if I didn't say. I think I said. Birdie, if you're new here, why don't you hit that dang old subscribe button? And hey, you dillhole pulling out your wiener on me. Look at, as I was saying, if you're new here, you can subscribe if you like. If not, that's okay. And if you're a returning subscriber, I missed you. It's been a long time, but not for a lack of good reasoning. I don't like this guy, so I'm gonna pass him. No, I'm not. There's cars coming. Oh, what? You guys haven't seen me since it's turned green here. It was winter last time we spoke, you know, when I got my DUI. So it's still not all green like now it is. I digress. So, if you guys follow me on Instagram at father_bobber, you'll have seen my post here a while back that I was needing to take a little hiatus to focus on the family. To catch you guys up, both of my in-laws came down with the COVID. So my wife went up to Ohio for a couple weeks to tend to them. They both ended up hospitalized. Unfortunately, my father-in-law did not make it. He passed on April 17th, that's the day after my birthday. I had a birthday. And then we lost him the next day, unfortunately. So we've been kind of dealing with all that. We took in my mother-in-law for about 3 weeks. She stayed with us, trying to take care of her. She's still recovering. She's on oxygen, and of course she just lost her husband, so we were kind of just needing to focus on family and taking care of business. But other than that, I've really just stayed on my bike. I've put some dang miles on this guy this past month. So let's catch up here. So I had a birthday. What did I do? We went to the Hofbrau house, and then I already told you what happened the next day. and then water. So one of my favorite rides that I've done during this break was actually I crossed over to Indiana, where I was. The crossing's like 30 miles back, and then I rode down to Rising Sun, where I just was, and took the ferry across. Here's some pictures and some B-roll from my phone. Sorry, it's vertical because I didn't shoot it in landscape, but whatever. And then I just took the ferry over to Rabbit Hatch. That was, I don't know, it was what, 3 weeks ago, something. Let's rewind here. So obviously the Florida trip was canceled. We couldn't really leave with everything going on. But that is going to still happen. Later on, we need to just still do some planning and figure out when, but Red Sanity is still going to host us whenever we figure out when that is. So that's still going on, so still wait for that. That'll be fun. I've still been documenting, some stuff that I've been doing. Sorry if it's really windy today, so I'm sorry if there's a lot of wind noise. Another awesome ride I did, I just took off for the whole day by myself, because I didn't have to come home, get the kids off the bus, or go to work. I was off work for 17 days. That was really nice. So I took off in the morning, crossed into Ohio, and rode the Ohio Scenic Byway for a couple hours. I just followed the river to Ripley, Ohio, and I saw a lot of really cool stuff. There was New Richmond was a really neat little town, and then I saw Ulysses S. Grant's birthplace, and I ended up in Maysville, and then I crossed into Kentucky, which is Maysville, and then came on back that way on the Kentucky side. And I will say the Ohio ride was way better than the Kentucky ride. The Kentucky side was kind of boring, but the way down there was really beautiful. And then this past weekend, Saturday morning, I went on it was like a cars and coffee place. I met up with a few of the guys that I ride with, and then I met some more new people. They were really neat. I ended up with a pretty decent group. We went to a cars and coffee meet in Cincinnati, and then we did a really neat tour of, it was like 7 scenic hillsides around the city. And of course, here I'm rolling some pictures for you here. It's all on my phone. I've been trying to take as many pictures as I can, so I can catch you guys up on my rides here lately. I just haven't been recording because life has just been so hectic. So I haven't really had time to fool with editing or really just anything. But now I do, I guess. I think. I don't know. I'll try. I'm in Indiana, but that's Kentucky over there. That's my old Kentucky home. You really get the best view of it from Indiana. Look at that. Oh man. And look how boring Indiana is. So flat. But there's, oh yeah. So that's where I live. And this is where the Hoosiers live. Nice and boring and flat. So I'm going to take this road until I come to the Markland Dam, and then I'm going to cross at the dam, and there's a really nice place I like to eat on the river called the Sunset Grill, and I'm hoping to meet one of my buddies there. Oh, that's another thing I did. My buddy bought his first bike. He bought a brand new 2021 KTM 390 Adventure. It's a really neat bike. I'm a little too big for it. It's kind of small, but it's a perfect first bike for him anyway. I've watched a lot of reviews and videos on them. They're actually really neat little machines. Oh, I'm gonna open it up, huh? Let's see. There's 100. I'm in Mexico, by the way. Let's see where it cuts off. 100, and is that it? That's all you got? Nope, we're still going. 115. Okay, that's enough. Woo! Mexico's fun. Ooh, that's pretty. So yeah, this is what everything looks like during actual riding season. You guys have only seen me ride in the winter, but this is it. This is what we normally look like, all green and birds chirping, and the river looking not very appetizing. But that's the Ohio for you. You're gonna push mow that entire thing? See, I mean, who wouldn't love living here? Just, if nothing else, for the riding. Do you see? Oh, no, you don't, because there's trees. Anyway, I've really missed all of you. And I want to thank everybody for all the support during this time. I've still kept up with everybody, and I've still been on Instagram a little bit. I haven't really been doing a lot of participating, but I've been scrolling and talking to some people. But now I'm gonna refocus my efforts back to the channel and the page, and see what we can accomplish. Man, what a beautiful day. What was I saying? Why is it telling me 9 miles to the dam? That's not right. The dam's right up here. Where is this taking me? 14 minutes. No, it's literally right up here. I can see it. You guys tell me what you guys have been up to this spring. Tell me about some of your rides. Tell me what your plans are for the summer. Now that the weather is amazing and it's beautiful and everything is green, where are you guys going? I'll tell you, I have a lot of plans, and I really hope it works out this year. So a lot of you guys are going to be traveling, I'm sure, this year. We've got that VAM 21 meetup, and then there's that World's Longest Poker Run coming up. If anybody is traveling through Cincinnati or Kentucky or in my area, hit me up. We'll meet up. I can't participate in VAM or the poker run. I was gonna try VAM, but then I planned the Florida trip, but the Florida trip's got to be postponed. So well, if they do it next year, maybe next year. It sounds like a lot of fun. But yeah, if anybody's in the area you want to ride, I'll take you on some roads, and we'll go get some food and some beers, and hit me up. Let me know. Get me on the Instagram there. Now we're on the dam. Oh wow, that water looks rough. I'm really excited to do a live video. It's been a while, and those are really fun to me. So, looking forward to hanging with you guys. I don't know when this video will be out, but today is, what is today? Today is May 6th. So, we'll see. bikes. I want to sit outside. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I guess I'll park here. All right. So that's where I started. Over there in Rising Sun, my bench is right somewhere. But that's where I started the ride, and then I rode about 30 miles along the river and about 30 miles back up after I crossed the bridge, and I'm home in Rabbit Hash. Imagine that. Had me a good lunch. But, aw, I love you too, cutie. Alright, you guys, I'm going to end this video because I'm out of things to talk about. That's my life lately. It's been a little chaotic, but starting to smooth out now, hopefully. I don't know, something else will probably pop up. It's just one thing after another these days. But as always, I love you all. Hit that subscribe and stay tuned for all of my fun adventures this year. There's going to be a lot of them, and they're going to get a little weird and crazy and silly. So smash that like. Why does everybody say smash? Smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. Do something else. Let's see. What's another? Not smash. Hump. Go ahead and hump that like button and that subscribe button, and stay tuned because I'll be uploading again and being present again and hanging out again. And I love you guys. Hey. You see what we did there? And I'm gonna hippity hop off of here because I'm almost home. Love you guys. Bye bye.